So just looking at real quick between the two, we kind of dealt with two different styles of substitution. This one, you have them both y equals and y equals. They're both in slope-intercept form. Over here, we have the top one's in slope-intercept form and the bottom one is in standard form. So when you have both in slope-intercept form, you kind of do that substitution. You make them equal to each other. The substitution kind of happens on the outside of the equal sign. Whereas if you got one in standard form and you do the substitution, it kind of happens in the middle of the equation. So both in standard form, make them equal to each other and then subtract, in this case, 5x from both sides and solve. If you have a slope-intercept or a y equals or an x equals and then standard form for the other one, you're going to do add like terms or simplify. Sometimes they'll be distributing property here and then solve that way. So on this one, you have x's on both sides. On this one, you have x's on one side and then just solve that way. So that's just kind of a, a bird's eye view of when we're doing these substitutions, how it's going to look. And then kind of our solving strategy will be a little bit different depending on how these equations up here look.